Okay, so do it really gently. One screw at a time. Don't do them too tight because it'll just ruin the Xbox. Right, so now that we've screwed that one tight, we've got to take the next heatsink. Actually no, we need to put the screws in first. So we'll get our screws that we prepared earlier. Okay. Oh, so we take that and we put these through the holes again. Okay, so just be careful. So put one through each hole. And then we'll get our glamorous assistant to hold them again. Right. And can you hold them, please?
I'll see if I can. What to call it? Misguiding. What?
Keep hold of it. Right. So now I've got all the screws in. Place the heatsink where the screws will go. And yet again gently screw them. And the next one, just gently screw these screws in. And remember not to do them too tight. It'll ruin it. So yet again, if we turn it, I'll turn it around and show you. I've got all 8 screws in, and just gently tighten them up one by one, as we did last time with the other heatsink. So nice and tight. And we better stop crying. See it? It can make sure that it's not too tight, just tight enough. Right. So if we just leave it, so they're all screwed in. So I'll be back in about 5 minutes because we need to let the thermal compound set. Right, so now the thermal paste has dried. What we need to do now is get the chassis back, or the and take the actual motherboard of the Xbox and be really careful and slide it back in. Like that. Now Right, so I've got the power cable and also the AV cable. So now what we need to do is plug these in. So first the AV cable into that slot there, and the power cable into there. Now it's important that you don't plug the fan back in, and you don't have to put the DVD drive back in. It's not necessary at the minute. So don't plug the fan in, and now I've got those both cables plugged in. Now I've put the RF modulator back in, the on button, plug that back into the motherboard. Right, so I've just put the RF modulator back in, as you can see there, and now what we need to do is turn the Xbox on. So turn it on. It will turn on